Hi, this is Craig with Sulcata Grove, and I'm here with Valerie, and today we are taste testing the Williams banana. This is one that's in the same grouping with the Cavendish or the grocery store banana. They're shaped very similar, a little bit smaller. You can see the color. They look very much green color like the grocery stores, and they seem to be ripening in a similar pattern. And the ones that we've had before taste very much like a grocery store banana. They have a very similar texture. So let's try one of these. Very similar to a grocery store banana, but the texture is the same. The texture is identical to a grocery store banana.
It tastes a little creamier than a grocery store.
Yeah, it's a little creamier. Let's see. Well,
no,
that's not a bad description. It's just a little more flavorful, creamier. That's not bad. Could be creamier. It just has a little more flavor.
we should have gone to grocery store banana to compare this to.
Well, we probably could. They are smaller. It is a smaller fruit.
Oh no.
But if you cut this up into slices and gave it to somebody, they probably couldn't tell the difference between this and a grocery store banana. This is very. We have some of our kids that they like grocery store bananas, and they don't like any of the other ones that we have for whatever reason. But they'll eat these. It's good. To me, it's a half a notch better than a grocery store banana, and that may be just because these were picked closer to ripening. Grocery store bananas are picked super unripe, and it's because they have to be able to travel and ripen by the time you get them. So it may be the only difference in flavor is that these are picked closer to actual ripeness. That's good. It tastes like a grocery store banana with. I like that. The plant itself, average height. What are they about? They're a little bit shorter, about 7-8 feet.
About 8 feet.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this one, how many hands did this one produce? It was a lot, wasn't it?
It had a lot, and they are kind of neglected.
Yeah, some of our bananas aren't in the best areas in our yard that don't get quite as much attention as a few others, and this is one in kind of the less optimal area, but it did well. It did produce super fast.
And for ripening in the winter, I thought they tasted really good.
Yeah, so this right now, well, it's not winter anymore,
but they like developed in the winter.
Yeah, so. We're in April now,
so
but they were developing through the winter and made it nicely. So anyway, Williams banana, very good alternative to just a regular grocery store banana. So thanks for watching.